Namanganda zo'r lokatsiyalardan biri aeroportdan To'raqo'rg'on tomonga yurishimizda o'ng qo'lda yangi qurilayotgan O'zbekiston bog'ini shunoqqina yonida joylashgan 28 ta kottejlarimiz sotuvga qo'yildi. Shoshilib qoling, sanoqli qolgan. Videoni oxirigacha ko'ringlar, birma-bir tanishtirib boraman.
Wish that I could cough out my emotions in a healthy manner and just become the right person that actually matters. And every day I drive my car to my little job, and I find some peace in the stations that I throw on. But I wish there was a song with your name as the title. Oh yeah, I wish there was a song with your name as the title. Oh yeah.
Ushbu kottejlarimizda gaz, suv, svet, kanalizatsiyadan umuman muammo yo'q. Hujjatlar 100% joyida. Egalarning raqamlarini videoda yozib qoldiraman. Telefon qilinglar. Narxini 4 to'lg'in $70,000, 6 to'lg'in $90,000 ga qilib beriladi. Namangan yangi uylardan uzoqlashmaymiz.